Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record your iPhone screen. If you are using any iPhone and you want to record your iPhone screen, so let's see how can you do that. Now to do that, very first I recommend you have to try to update your software. So open your settings app, and settings you have to go for general, go for software update, and you have to try to make a software update if you find any pending software updates here. So after updating your software, you just have to go back and you have to scroll down your control center, and here you will get a screen recording feature. If you can't find it here, you can easily add it. Just tap on the add or the plus option in the top left corner, then select add a control, and you have to look for screen recording feature. If you can't find it here, just tap on search, and you have to simply search for screen recording or you will get the option. Just tap on that and it will be added to your control center. You can move it if you want to, or let's say I'm going to move it on this side. So in this way you can easily resize or reimagine that, or you can customize its size using this option, or you can keep a long press on it and then with this. So once you have done, just tap on any empty place, it will be added to your control center. Now you just have to open the screen which you want to record. So let's say I'm going to record a game here. So for example, I'm going to record this game here. Just open the game which you want to record, scroll down the control center and enable this. It will start recording your screen. So here you can see that your screen is now recording. If you want to enable microphone for your screen, so you just have to keep a long press on it and enable microphone from here. You can see that microphone is now turned off. Just tap on that and it will be turned on. So now go back and you just have to play the game if you want. Or once you have done your screen recording, just go back from here. You can simply stop your screen recording by tapping on this option, or you can tap on this option to stop your screen recording, or keep a long press on it, then select stop recording and it will stop your screen recording. So here you can see it has been saved in Photos app. So go back and open your Photos app and you will get your recording here. So in this way, you can easily record your iPhone screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.